Hi guys! Oh my god! This is cassava splodge. They're growing so big.
Money, patience, and time.
This work, give them food, clean.
Subscribe to her YouTube channel.
What you trying to meet your maker, darling? Or you running out of time, huh? Hi guys! Oh my god! Hi guys! Welcome back to the channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And if you're new here, please click the subscribe button to join the community. Anyways, for today's video, you guys are going to be spending the day with me as a pig farmer. I know most of you don't know this part about me. I am into pig farming. Yeah, it is a very good and lucrative business if you are patient. I decided to come check out the pigs and piglets are doing, and to also help my mom out. Yeah, so I think that's all. Let me show you guys how the pigs are. So we're about mixing the pigs. I'm eating the that too. The pig's food. We have this is cassava splodge. Actually, this is my mom's business though, but I had to venture into it. So most of the time, my mom helps me to take care of my own pigs and the piglets, not me. But these are my piglets. Look at them, they're growing so big. Come out, not be food. So these two big ones are mine. Then those piglets are mine. I don't know. This one that know about this, my mom so no. So yeah, but the rest, aside from this one here in this room, the rest are for my mom. This one's for my mommy. Wow, this is so big. Oh, so yeah, it's for my mom. This one here, it's for my mom. This room and this room are all for my mom. So we just got a new attendant and I'm trying to put him through. Don't know if you guys can see him there. Put him through on how things are being done here. So far so good. Nothing really too serious about the whole stuff. Just come to work, give them food, clean their surrounding. We bait them, but not often. We bait them just 3 times in a week: Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. So we are done literally with everything we are doing. So I want my mom to talk about a few things about going into pig farming. Just summarize it, the benefit, the good things. Just there must be a reason why you've been doing pig farming for a long time and you are still there. If it's not profitable, you will not be there. So just talk about it. So yeah.
It's profitable now. Only thing is that three things involved: money, patience, and time. This is the 3 key. If you should have patience, you have money to do it, and you bring out your time to do it. It's very, very profitable. It's very good. Number 1 is money. You have money to do it. money because it consumes money a lot, but it's just like savings.
Exactly.
If you don't want to be spending anyhow, when you enter into pig farm, it will curtail some of all this unnecessary spending. Just like when you are saving money, instead of you, when you are in need, instead of you to go and borrow, you just go to your farm, pick anyone, you sell it, you have that cash. That's just the only thing, just like saving. And it's very, very interesting. Training pig is very good.
So I've seen the pig farmer.
So
one thing about this thing, if you know you want money urgently, like you just want to invest and you want quick money with quick return, please do not do it, because it takes time, like you said, and patience. See that patience takes a lot of time and patience too. So
time and patience.
And have enough money.
And you have enough money.
Enough money.
So
okay.
Piggery farm is good.
Okay.
It's very, very good.
Tell them to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Subscribe to her YouTube channel.
So guys, we've come to the end of this video, end of this vlog. It's been an interesting day / a semi-stressful day. I didn't really do much like that because there's an attendant plus my mom. So, and my piglets are growing. I am super happy for that. They're growing. So that's all. I'll be closing this vlog now. Please do not forget to like the video, comment on this video, and subscribe if you've not subscribed to the channel. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.
What you trying to meet your maker, darling? Or you running out of time, huh?